Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Kid. Today we are going to see about the topic the novel coronavirus. This is the situation video. Please check a previous video's description so you will know what are situation videos. Okay? So let us get into the video. Now, first, let us see basically what is the coronavirus. This novel coronavirus is the seventh type of coronavirus, and this is many people say it is a little bit related to the SARS virus, and this is also known as the SARS-CoV-2. I'll tell the full form of SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. And last time the SARS came, this SARS virus is more difficult to cure. This virus, that virus also is difficult to cure, but this virus has caused more deaths. Okay. Now, actually, this coronavirus is a flu. Normally, it is like a flu. The cold symptoms only we have in this also. We'll get into that afterwards. Now let us see what is the recovery time for the coronavirus. Using available preliminary data, the median time from onset to clinical recovery for mild cases is approximately 2 weeks and is 3 to 6 weeks of patients with severe or critical disease. See, here the mild cases, the coronavirus cases, 80% of the cases are mild and only 20% are severe cases. So I don't think so you need to worry much. But I'm not telling that you don't need to worry at all. There is something to worry. But these mild cases will take 2 weeks. Mostly 2 to 2.5 weeks. That's all it can take. But the severe cases 3 to 6 weeks. If in 3 to 6 weeks they are not cured, they of course die. Okay? Now let us see, is the coronavirus disease the same as SARS? I told before, but let us see once. But not the exact same of SARS. No, the answer is no, not the exact same of SARS. But a little relation is there for SARS also. Let us see. The virus that causes COVID-19, the COVID-19 is one more name, and the one that caused the outbreak of severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, in 2003 are related to each other genetically, but the diseases they cause are quite different. Okay? Now let us see what is the official name of the coronavirus disease which the WHO gave. ICTV and WHO announced severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that's only I told you, SARS-CoV-2, as the name of the new virus on 11th February 2020. Now let us see which age group or which part, who is at most risk for the coronavirus disease. People of all ages can be infected by the new coronavirus. But older people and people with pre-existing medical conditions, older people is elderly people, a grandfather, a grandmother, they're all elderly people, right? And your pre-existing medical conditions means, for example, you might have diabetes, or you might have a lung problem, you might be obese. Obesity is not the main cause. Obesity not a big thing, leave it. I'm not telling it's not a very big thing, it is a thing. But like these pre-existing medical conditions appear to be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill with this virus. But WHO advises people of all ages to take steps to protect themselves from the virus. For example, by following good hand hygiene and good respiratory hygiene. Now let us see. Is coughing a symptom of the coronavirus disease? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Some patients may have aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. These symptoms are usually mild and begin gradually. Okay, now let us see the symptoms of it. The main symptoms. Already told, but I am going to tell everything in a list. Common symptoms are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Whoever has coronavirus will surely have this. But some people may not have coronavirus symptoms like these. Some people may experience these, which I tell now. Aches and pains, nasal congestion, that is nose block, and many more things. Runny nose, sore throat, diarrhea also you might get. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. This virus's problem is it takes 5 to 6 days, and maximum it can take up to 14 or even 23 days. This is the problem of the virus. People with mild symptoms or otherwise healthy should self-isolate. Seek medical attention if you have a fever, a cough, and difficulty breathing. Now, let us see about the prevention of this. Just 5 lines. Stay home, keep a safe distance, wash hands often, cover your cough. Sick? Are you sick? Then call the helpline. That's all. It's done. The treatments for this you need to ask a doctor. I am not a doctor, right? So we have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have doubts, you can ask in the comment section below. If I know, I will surely reply to it. If you ask MBBS questions, I cannot reply. Okay? So have a nice day, great tomorrow. Bye.